Hi everyone, this is Mela. In this video, I will show you an exciting opportunity presented by Tata Innoverse. Is automation of hot metal sampling in blast furnace. As you can see, hot metal samples are manually collected from blast furnace runners 3 times per cast, exposing the operator to molten metal, extreme heat, fumes, glare, and splash hazards. So they are seeking autonomous or remote operated solution that can safely and reliably collect representative samples with equal or better consistency while operating in harsh runner condition and eliminating human exposure. So the last date for application for this challenge is 25th October 2026. So if an idea, they're going to give you money. So they're going to give you reward money in exchange of legally acquiring the solution from you, implementing it to solve the problem and meeting the success criteria. So milestones for paying the reward money would depend upon the complexity of the challenge and maturity of the proposed solution, which would be discussed with the solver as soon as the proposed solution is selected by them. So they are seeking innovative solution to automate the hot metal sampling, that is temperature monitoring process, and eliminate human intervention in hazardous zones. So the proposed solution must be fully autonomous or remotely operated, but it should be capable of collecting hot metal samples from the runner with the same or better consistency as the existing manual process. Any automated solution must be capable of operating safely and reliably under severe thermal and mechanical conditions described above while maintaining personal safety and operational continuity. So if you like this opportunity, please do leave a like on this video and do subscribe to our YouTube channel Mela for such exciting opportunities from around the globe. Thank you very much.